press the bell icon from the YouTube app so that you never miss any of my videos. Hey guys, welcome back to Brightening, and this is Joyeeta. So today I'll be showing you how to do facial at home, and this will be my second video on the summer skincare series. So yeah, we generally have to do facial once in a month at least to pamper our skin. Facial is really very important, especially after the age of 25, to pamper our skin, and regular facial will help our skin to rejuvenate, and also it will also help to protect from anti-aging. So we need to take care of our skin really very well, especially in the summer season. So today I'll be showing you how to do facial at home, and also I'll be showing you some easy steps which will help you to do facial at home. And for this I'll be using the Brightening Gold facial kit, which is a summer special facial kit. You can also use the facial kit of your choice. There are many other brands called Jovis or Lotus, and those are also very good, but right now I have this facial kit, so I thought of making a video on this. So yeah, I'll be giving the purchase link of this facial kit as well. You can check that link in the description box below, and along with that I'll be giving the purchase link of various other facial kits, so you can go through that link and you can purchase that as well. But it is not necessary that you have to use the product, all the product from that same particular brand. You can also use all the product from different various other brands. It's not necessary to use the same product, or say like scrub or facial cream or everything from the same brand. So I'll be giving all the details in the description box below along with the steps, so you can check that out. So now let's see how to do facial at home with such a simple and easy steps. So let's get started. First, take a towel and a bowl of water and secure your hair with rubber band or clips. While doing facial, it is very important to cleanse your face for about 2 minutes. It helps to remove our makeup and extra dirt from our face. Then remove the product with the help of a wet towel. Next step is scrubbing. It helps to eliminate dead skin cells, which makes your skin look very dull. So scrub your face for about 5 minutes. Then remove the product with the same wet towel. Step 3 is the most important part of a facial, which is facial massage. So we have to massage the facial cream for about 20 minutes. So I am going to show some easy steps. Firstly, massage your cheek and chin area of your face in a circular motion, just like this, for about 1 minute. Next, massage your neck with the help of your fingertips in upward motion, very gently. Remember, you have to massage your neck very gently. Then you have to massage on the side of your nose as well as on your nose, because this is a place which has lots and lots of blackheads and whiteheads. So this step will help you to get rid of those annoying blackheads. Then we have to massage our under eye area, on our eyelids as well as on the brow bone for about 1 minute with the help of our fingertips. It will help to improve the blood circulation around our face and also help to get rid of dark circles and puffy eyes. Then we have to massage our forehead in zigzag motion like this for about 1 minute. It will help to remove the wrinkles and tan skin from our forehead, and remember, we have to massage very gently. Then we have to massage our forehead like this. What will happen is it will help to remove the stress and headache and make you feel relaxed and calm. Next step is to massage our jawline. So we have to massage very gently like this. What will happen is when you massage your jawline, it will help to loosen up your muscles of your jawline, which will make you feel very calm, refreshed and very cool. Lastly, massage the corner of your mouth area. It will help to remove the pigmentation around your mouth area, because this is the place from which we generally suffer from pigmentation. So we have to massage very well, and remember to massage in upward circular motion like this. Finally, we have to remove the product with the same wet towel. Next step is applying serum. It helps to rejuvenate our skin and also help to make our skin look very fresh. So apply the serum and massage for about 3 minutes and then remove with the same wet towel. Then you have to apply the face mask all over your face and neck like this. It will make your skin very soft and also improve your skin tone. Then we have to keep it for about 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse it off with normal water. Next step, we have to apply a toner on our face. You can use any toner of your choice. It will help to maintain the pH balance of your skin. Finally, apply a nourishing moisturizing cream on your face and neck. For best result, follow this routine at night, since it allows the skin to breathe and gives you a fresh look in the morning. So guys, this was all about how to do facial at home, and if this video was helpful to you, please make sure to give this video a big fat thumbs up, and also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubts related to this video, you can write in the comment section below. I will definitely help you out. And yeah, you can follow me in all my social media networks. All the link I have also given in the description box below, so you can check that out. Go through the link and you can follow me as well. So yeah, with this I end my video. This is Joyeeta signing off now. Until then, keep updating.